Welcome to our video on 7 tips to optimize Windows 11 performance. Windows 11 is a powerful operating system, but with the right tweaks, you can make it even faster and more efficient. In this video, we'll go over some simple steps you can take to optimize your computer's performance and get the most out of Windows 11. Tip 1. Update your drivers. The first tip is to make sure all your device drivers are up to date. This can be done through Windows Update or through your computer manufacturer's website. Updating your drivers can help improve your computer's stability and performance. Tip 2. Disable startup programs. Limit the number of programs that start automatically when your computer boots up. To do this, go to Task Manager and disable unnecessary startup programs. This can help speed up your computer's startup time and free up system resources. Tip 3. Clean up your disk. Remove unnecessary files, applications and programs that you don't need. You can use the built-in disk cleanup tool or third-party software to do this. This can help free up disk space and improve your computer's performance. Tip 4. Adjust visual effects. Windows 11 comes with a lot of visual effects that can slow down your computer. Go to System, Advanced System Settings, Advanced Performance Settings and choose Adjust for Best Performance, or choose which visual effects to disable. This can help improve your computer's responsiveness and speed. Tip 5. Optimize power settings. Windows 11 has power plans that can optimize your computer's performance based on your needs. Go to Settings, System, Power and Sleep and select the power plan that best suits your usage. This can help improve your computer's battery life and performance. Tip 6. Use Windows Security. Windows 11 has built-in security features that can help keep your computer safe from viruses and malware. Make sure you keep Windows Security up to date and run regular scans. This can help improve your computer's overall performance and security. Tip 7. Upgrade your hardware. If your computer is still slow after trying these optimizations, consider upgrading your hardware, such as your RAM or hard drive. This can significantly improve your computer's performance and help it run more smoothly. So those were our 7 tips to optimize Windows 11 performance. By following these simple steps, you can make your computer faster, more efficient, and more secure. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.